are partners in time. What we're going to be doing is as soon as someone brings our board up to us, we're going to be doing two-person scenes that are very grounded, very
real, emotional,
cathartic, sort of just working out like as a lot of internal turmoil. Just breaking through some walls that we have built up from childhood trauma. And then in the middle of that, we'll go over to that board and we'll rip off some time period you guys wrote and then ruin everything. And that's how we're going to go about that. But to get us started, we need a couple of things.
We need some suggestions. It's weather's starting to suck less. Well, actually, it's pretty bad.
Not the weather's getting nice. Not the weather's
starting to suck
less.
So it's getting warmer. What outdoor activities are you planning soon?
Bird watching.
Bird watching. I like it.
Looking back on your childhood when everything was happy, I hope, for a lot of you, what was one of the things that you're like, oh, this is a big event I'm looking forward to? World Series of graduations. I think I can work with some of that.
Somebody randomly, what was your mascot from your high school?
Bombers.
Bulldogs and Bombers?
Bulldogs, Bombers. All right, and then Tyler and I, we always know when our scene's over because we're really seeing that way. We don't always make it clear to the audience, so to help us make it clear to you, what's the sound that time would make? Got it.
Fun way to see the scene.
All right, when the lights come up, some of that. That's a finished wobbler if I ever saw one before.
Oh, it's a fine specimen.
Fine finished wobbler.
I don't even need my binoculars. I just look at them with my regular eyes.
Well, Pete, we ain't all born with a bird watching eyes like you were. Some of us have to rely on science.
That's right. I'm sorry. I always get bragging about my
You're always bragging about
bird watching eyes.
I got a Norwegian skeever over there. That's a fantastic spot. You can tell it's a Norwegian skeever because of the tilt of its beak.
46 degree angle.
46 degree. A 48 degree, you know, that's a Spanish skeever. Hey, you go ahead and tell me.
I didn't want us to ignore the cardinal.
That is
Simple, brave, respectable cardinal. That's its scientific name.
Yes, I love it. I love it when they go ahead and as soon as they perform 3 miracles, they can become a saint cardinal. But I was just going to say, I appreciate you introducing me to the bird watching. You know, once my wife went and passed away from being married to me, and then ran off with Frank.
Right. The marriage died. Her new marriage was born anew. Frank.
Like a phoenix from the ashes.
Rising from the ashes of your...
It was on an Ash Wednesday too. She still had the cross on her head.
Stuff, man. You know.
The stuff in this day and age.
This day and age. We found each other, became friends, and started watching birds. And that's when everyone suddenly became cowboys. Clink, clink.
It's tough being a cowhand.
Yeah.
Always having to rustle cattle. You don't have time to look out the birds. Although I will say, that's a Norwegian milk giver over there. That's the time. You can tell by the udders. They come in a certain angle, 45-degree angle of the udders. That's how you can tell it's a Norwegian milk giver. 47 degrees is a Spanish milk giver.
Right. So strange, those angles are so close.
They're so close, it's hard to see. Sometimes you gotta get right up on them udders
Yeah.
to notice.
You ever measured an udder with a protractor?
Well, unlike you, I don't need a protractor. I have natural angle measurement. So that's a thing I've never had to use.
That's why we compliment each other so well.
You and your eyes, me and my hands. You know what? Us being Cowboys, and Frank being a person I don't like, thinking I'm just gonna go and challenge him to a shootout.
A duel?
A duel. When I hear duel, I think we're doing back to back. We're walking off 10 paces. We're turning around. When I say shootout, I think both of us are at the other end of the street. We wait till a clock chimes or something.
Like high noon.
It's a quick draw.
High noon's a classic time. Maybe you should subvert everyone's expectations. Do it like 6 p.m. or something. You ever had a shootout and then go to a nice supper? It's delightful.
And then, as long as you are like, hey, I'm going to be with the sun at my back.
Yeah, of course.
I think that's why they do high noon, because then you don't get a glare.
Yo, yeah. I say either dawn, 6 p.m.
Dawn or 6 p.m.
Yep.
Dawn is too early for a supper afterwards.
That's right. People frown on you if you get a steak at 6 a.m.
Even if you're a cowboy.
Cowboys are some of the most judgmental sons of bitches you'll ever meet.
Driving around, coming up with what they say are friendly nicknames. Like when they would call you Slow Pete.
Yeah.
And then they'd call me Wifeless Gary. Come on. It's a hell of a graduation this year.
No, it's impressive.
It's impressive.
Good group of kids.
Good group of kids. Good group of kids this year. The numbers show it. I've been watching that. Linda, I mean, I didn't think she was going to be able to pull her numbers up, but then she went around and surprised us all with the B in algebra. Really pulled her GPA up there, you know.
Look at Jimmy. There he is, Jimmy. Look at him.
Look at him walking across the stage, shaking hands.
Got the rope things, the chords.
Classic rope things.
Honors. He's an honors student.
He went from skipping rope to wearing rope at his graduation. That's fantastic. Good job, Jimmy!
Great job, Jimmy!
Great job, Jimmy! You know, it's weird, especially this being the Baroque era, which we all know about.
We're very knowledgeable about the Baroque area.
The Baroque era? Yeah. You really thought that there wouldn't be any more graduations after you know the educational system of Baroque down. These kids went out there and they started teaching themselves.
Could you calm down with the harpsichords?
Hey, he's on the harpsichord. We're not even to the T's yet. There's no. It's the V ending stretch. You start stretching on the V's when you get to the last names of V's.
Yeah.
Cracker Jacks, right over here. Cracker Jacks. Thank you, Cracker Jacks. Classic Baroque food. Originally named.
It's the harpsichord of food.
Harpsichord of food. The Cracker Jacks, of course, the colloquial term for it, whereas the Carac Jacques de Sade was the original one. Because a little bit of punishment for your mouth. There you go, Linda. There you go. It's funny that the Baroque period is the first period where ladies first got to just graduate and have an education of their own. Everybody know this about the Baroque period. Progress! Years from now, everybody won't be able to stop talking about the Baroque period being the most progressive period of all of history. I guarantee it.
Things are changing.
Things are changing for the better.
Shut up, Scott.
Maybe if you die Scotty, Scotty. Yeah, go Scotty, Scotty, Scotty. Go graduate, Scotty. Can't believe we spent so much for him.
I don't like Scott.
I don't like Scott at all. We should trade him. Get 2 Lindas and a Jane.
And maybe a harpsichord too.
Now you're talking.
Dude, I'm sorry.
No,
I'm sorry.
there's nothing to apologize
I
for.
sincerely apologize.
Clark, I'm telling you, I understand it happened.
David.
I'm not holding it from.
David, just accept the apology.
I accept
Stop
your apology.
denying my apology.
I-
Just say, I accept your apology. Everything's fine now, okay?
Clark, shut your damn mouth. You don't have to apologize. I accept your apology. You don't have to apologize for anything.
I let the lion out of the cage.
It's an honest mistake.
Sometimes
They're
I
bars!
don't know. Sometimes I don't know. You see the mistakes that I make. Maybe I'm doing it on purpose. Maybe I'm trying to sabotage us.
No, Clark.
Maybe I resent this zoo.
Wait, are you asking questions or are you confessing to something right now?
Just trying to figure it out.
I'm just saying, cages are all bars, sometimes just as an optical illusion, whether that bar is open or is that another bar, you know? If it's shut, you can't tell, but if it's open, it just looks like another bar. That's all I'm saying. It's not like you have some sort of special eyes that can, like, spot birds without
No, I
binoculars.
don't.
It's just right now.
That's why we have a completely birdless zoo.
And also, I
Another one of my failings.
mean, you let me off the hook when I let all the bulldogs out. Walton, you said
I
bulldogs
like a
are
bulldog.
not a good zoo.
I love a bulldog. You know that. But bulldogs don't bring people into the zoo.
They don't.
They want to see big animals.
Now that they can see where a big animal used to be. In this cage.
They can see the subsequent crime scene after the lion got out.
You know what? Again, Scott had it coming. I am fine with Scotty dying
You know what
by lion mouth.
I'm also apologetic about? The time that I turned into a wombat.
Your parents moved across town. You couldn't be a bomber anymore. You had to go be a wombat with the East Side Wombats. We were best friends, and then we had a play against each other in the high school World Series.
But you know how it works. Once you betray your high school mascot, you become the mascot of the other team. Thus, my predicament of being an actual wombat.
That's how it works.
It's high school magic, damn it, David.
Well, then
I don't like the food I used to. I just eat wombat food.
I'm just saying, if that's how it works, I have a confession to make.
Don't do it, David.
No, I let you win that World Series. So I betrayed the Bombers. Mean I become a bomber?
Depending on what kind of bomber, we're in a lot of trouble or a little bit of trouble.
Well, I had beans earlier, so might be a lot of trouble.
You know what I'm now terrified about?
Me pooping on you?
That's always been a fear. What if I become a wombat? The dangers of a bomber and a wombat combined into one hideous creature.
I would welcome that, and I'll tell you why. For all apex predators, the lion fears only one animal. The bombats.
the Ice Age? And you finally realized you're a comedian.
Yep, while you were out there hunting and gathering, I was setting up premises and then subverting expectations.
Delivering some pretty sick punchlines.
They were fantastic.
I almost got killed by a woolly mammoth today.
And then I said, what's the difference between a woolly mammoth and an elephant?
Set up.
Bangs.
And it restored me. I was wiped out. I was almost killed by that woolly mammoth. And I come here, and you throw a zinger like that at me, and it gives me new life. I'm ready to go out and take out that den of saber-toothed tigers. Maybe tomorrow, but I'm going to do it.
Do you know why saber-toothed tigers are always so angry?
Just hit me with it, buddy. Hit me.
Two things. What I love about being the first stand-up is anything I say is correct. And a scathing indictment of society.
Oh man, our society deserves it. You stick it to the Ice Age, buddy.
Well, in UGG, what I love about you is you've been so supportive this whole time. Like, a lot of the other hunter-gatherers, they're just like, hey, when I come home, I want the ice cave warm, but not too warm where it drips on me. And I want food laid out on the table, and I want you to just unka, unka, unka. And I'm like, hello, do you kiss your woolly mammoth with that mouth?
Kiss it, a woolly mammoth. Oh my God, Cluck. Oh my God. Listen. You found an art. You made an art. I'm going to support your art no matter what. I will go out there and risk my life every day so you can stay here and just crush with these jokes.
Thank you so much. And also, thank you for just allowing me to open up our personal life on stage, too, and just talk about
Listen,
different
I
things.
admit, I almost killed you with a spear the first time. There's a lot of private details you threw out there. But you were telling the truth.
That's where,
And you found the funny with the truth. Right? And that's what we need to make it through the Ice Age.
when I go up there,
I named.
I'm like, you know how a regular husband will just knock you on your head and drag you by your hair?
I'm already laughing. Keep going, yeah.
My husband missed me with a spear, and then
I did. I missed you with this.
I stop talking about it, and it's just that one doesn't really have a punchline yet. That's just me sharing on stage.
Yeah. That one, we'll sweeten that one.
Thank you.
Clug, thank you.
You know what is the difference between the Ice Age and my perfect world? No. Because there is no difference. Johnny, if we're going to catch this guy, we got to get on it. It's the time when love won, and we can't let love win. We got to find love. We got to arrest love and throw it in the back of a jail cell. Son of a bitch.
Yeah. Who needs love? I don't need it.
Definitely.
I do need it in a jail cell.
The only thing I need about love is for love to not cooperate with our investigation, and then I'm gonna just give love a little chin music with my old knuckle bones, if you know what I mean.
Microphone chin music.
That'll teach love.
sweetest music love could ever hear.
Walking around trying to win love. Ha! I can't deny it.
Right? So many years of propaganda for love. All you need is love. Love isn't all you need.
And other love songs that I totally remember right now. I mean, but what's the difference with love then? If we let love win, then we gotta go around just confessing to people how we feel about them. Whether we love them or not, and whether being their partner on the force for the last 25 years has been the greatest moments of your life, and how sometimes you go home and you look in your wife's eyes, but secretly you just remember your partner grabbing your hand, and you're both scared about whether that criminal was really going to blow up the whole department or not. Or something like that.
I know exactly what you mean.
I mean, if love wins, then we got to be honest with our emotions and our relationships.
Right, we have to be in love with people. In love with people.
Those are the luckiest people in the world.
Get to share our secrets, our hopes, our dreams, our desires with that person, and not have to keep them hidden away in deep, dark cell and called your heart.
Just disguise what your true feelings are with a gruff voice. And by calling each other buddy and pal and skipper. Buzz.
Jerk. Sometimes I call you jerk. It's like a joking, friendly, not in a love way.
Yeah, sometimes I call you face. Not in a love way.
Not in a love way.
Not because every time I look at your face, I think it's the cutest thing in the world, and the only thing that keeps me from just playing a big old wet smacker on it is the idea of it being covered in poop, and that's the only thing that keeps me away from it. Are we falling in love?
Did love catch us?
Did love just fall for the most obvious trap ever? I got you, love!